Hello everyone, my name is Ishwar. I'm a seven-figure Kindle publisher. In this channel, I'm going to teach you how to make money using Kindle publishing even if you are not an author, because all my books are ghostwritten by writers all over the world. If you ever dreamed of building real passive income online, then this channel will definitely help you do that. Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP is a platform designed by Amazon which lets anyone publish and sell ebooks and paperback worldwide. The best part? You don't need to deal with printing, shipping, or inventory. Amazon handles that for you. Your job is to create high quality books either by writing them yourself or hiring professionals or even with the use of AI. In this channel, I'll break down the exact process of choosing the profitable niche, creating eye-catching covers, and using keywords that help you actually get your book found on Amazon. I'll also be sharing the beginner's mistakes and how to avoid them. This helps you fast track your success and start earning the passive income as quickly as possible. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and stick along. And if you want a specific topic to be covered in my upcoming videos, mention them in the comments below. I'll personally look through all the comments and try to reply to as many as possible. Thank you.